Hey, it's Andrew from Zappos, and this is the Ghost 12 GTX from Brooks. This fantastic running shoe from Brooks features a very breathable mesh upper. You've got overlays in key areas of the shoe for structural support, durability, and protection. Added protection at the toe along with reflective materials as well, and at the heel so you can be seen in low light situations. This shoe does feature a GORE-Tex membrane, so it's waterproof while still staying breathable. A seamless design is going to help with less irritation against the foot. A traditional lace-up design provides a secure fit around the foot. Padding on the tongue and collar for additional comfort, along with a removable cushioned footbed, has arch support is going to keep you comfortable on your runs. Also, the BioMoGo dual density midsole is going to help absorb shock and keep you comfortable. Has a bit of flex on the shoe itself. Check this out, it's all on top of a dual density rubber outsole to keep you stable. Make sure your feet stay protected from the elements and stay comfortable with this great shoe from Brooks.